we can fight this much better than the way
So
what's
the best? I mean,
as EPA, makes me here helicopters 5, a couple of guns, and then that's a woman 2 weeks.
So we have helicopters 5.
5 helicopters, a couple of guns. Make clear one of war in should the police and water bodies.
Okay,
I'll clear them.
How are you going to do that?
I said on the market. I just need the resources.
And so now obey and say now plan the own
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Galamsey TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Our CEO, John Mohammed, CEO for Environmental Protection Agency. Wow, we name Environmental Protection Agency. Basically, omuye agency bia, they are in charge of say environment, like our surroundings, neatness and all those things. And the ebano issues surrounding Galamsey, it's just like comfort me says NCO and other stuff. No, they are a major stakeholders. And the SAR agency, no, a buying agency, and they have a CEO. Now the CEO currently, His Excellency John Mahama has appointed, no, a professor, very very brilliant professor, Professor Ellen Klutse. Right? Yeah, that is the name. Now, Mami where I call a friend saying UTV for interview, journalist don't be saying say, what will it require at this point in time to fight or to win the fight against Galamsey? Now, Obia follow campaign in Biana and I say NDC campaign. You realize that Galamsey was a very major, was a topical issue in the run-up to the election. And some promises were made. In fact, some George Cracker say, oh no dear, Sanka Kufado pair, or bet no is it 2 weeks, they solve Galamsey issues. And we knew, said John Mahama, His Excellency, Yetuma Banman and now be president, as Galamsey, within the shortest possible time, should become a thing of the past. Anything I bisa mamiwe because as at now up to now say Galamsey a worse cry, very much worse. According to research, about 90% of all our river bodies are polluted. According to research, 90% are all polluted. Say, like those days that you can just go to the riverside with a cup with gari, sugar, and go and fetch water and just mix it right at the riverside and eat. No, it's something yes I be sometimes when we were in the senior high school, yeah, now in this kind and I say we were coming from poor background. No, want to make a top water every day to mix your gari. So just put your gari and the sugar in your bag and then you go to there's a pond, and you go there and go and fetch the water. You mix the gari, sugar, and you eat it right there. Simple. He said, don't miss idea organa biomo. Adea almost 90+% of the river bodies are polluted. Now, mami we ebisa no. Or see, or no dear, what you will need to win the fight against Galamsey. Ne say, or here 5 helicopters. Helicopter. Aeroplane na a fan be was so helicopter. Also, here 5. A lot of guns, a 2 baby to win the fight against Galamsey. Now, maybe so. And the Okasem no me ko check army, Ghana army, the whole army of Ghana, helicopter do send ayo.
One kasa as a CEO no. Yeah. O when you so ade hu any sense ye pese ye ko Galamsey o plan anything say mo de be boy.
But that's Abibia me come a plan. It's a little bit off the normal discussion.
So
and me feel the earlier statement as institution like you feel in fighting Galamsey. Me who there we know what to do. You declare Galamsey as a war.
Okay.
Until why are we not approaching it as war? If you need resources no to and go get into a war front. Until you call war, they are armed. EPA staff, we are not armed. And when I walk around, where you're monitoring here, Forestry Commission, they are not armed. But other will monitor, no control forest. EPA, yes, you forest, you Galamsey site all the time. But we are not armed. So me kwana me kaya operation, me kaya arrester. Many military, national security, I mean, out on that front. How many times am I to make military? For you walk out, it's expensive. How many times can we pay them to go out with? It's a problem no. So there, yenya like a comprehensive plan.
Okay.
I mean, can we fight pan issue? Okay. So my vision is to clean up our water bodies.
They are contaminated.
Water bodies, virtually all of them are polluted. Okay. About 90% of our river bodies are polluted. Okay. If you are steady to get the figures of pollutants and all the river bodies that are attacked, then we'll get the figures to put out for Ghanaians to see. This is the map of Ghana. This is our water body. This is the situation of our water bodies. When we feed them, we can fight this much better than the way
So, what's the best?
I mean,
way?
as EPA, me here helicopters 5, a couple of guns, and then that's a woman 2 weeks.
So we have helicopters 5.
5 helicopters, a couple of guns. Make clear one of war should the police and water bodies.
Okay,
I'll clear them.
How are you going to do that?
I said on the market. I just need the resources.
And to now obey and say now plan the own. Oh, this professor is a smart professor.
For the land week, it's not so much of a problem.
Okay.
The compare here and water bodies. This is the source of our drinking water and potable water.
Okay.
Ghana Water Company is struggling to treat water bodies for us. Since last year October, I mean, if you are meeting more central region, in fact tap no more till today. Into here fana or there yenyansu yedifi. Into I mean, me feel that for that single importance of insu wahen country no man, we need to be more radical about the fight. Or they are clear illegal activities on our water bodies. Land, and we can take our time and reclaim the land, treat it, and then plant food. Even that one, we are heading towards food insecurity in the country.
But Prof, in as much as Matthew will plan as you know, find says 5 helicopters won't no enya guns runs one can do a winya. Yes, I'm doing one guns to Kodiam Crackens and Menutu and you. And it's a Wunzan can these 5 helicopters and the guns now. Now she said, Uvision into me, unto me, my young Congalano.
Yeah, in sooner than cleaning, you be clean.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghanaians there. It's doable, but me clean the water bodies no.
Okay.
Only the for sure you be. But they cleaning, they are still there. They cleaning, they are still polluting the water. And the taxpayers' money they be cleaning, so no. On an water one you know what said.
Okay.
The danger is any insurance or any kidney problems. I be brain. Even areas where Galamsey or Horn, most of the places when you have records of infertility. When you're for both men and women, when you're birth with defects in our day. Maybe it's not too loud for Ghanaians to know, but we are the war front, my sister. We are the war front. We feel that we should be more radical to protect our water bodies.
In Ghana, for because you have more leaders in our moody and you say, "Sir, radicalism me, mobile boy, dear, and you so more catch your boy now, so yajimuso."
It looks like there are more people doing this Galamsey than those who want to fight it. It's a EPM can have strength already. And when I walk down Hawaii Galamsey, what does this in EPA have strength? And again, they are even armed. Instead, I mean, I who a view on water bodies. Well, they were armed. Me do a cheer when I passed. Because I went to pick water samples, so I didn't go with the military men. So I myself was exposed. In the Mukwakafa water sample, I saw them on the River Pra, midstream of River Pra.
Into Kochifu Pra, so here.
Well, Beposto side.
Okay,
Western
Cape Coast Road.
Western region side. Make a water sample for testing. And then Nanto Kakra midstream. You know they were on the Shamfine in Sunodo. They were armed. What can you do? You just stand away. Michiawan, actually.
I mean, we say, 13 helicopters. Ghana Army, 13 helicopters. Etu odi e obibre. Enti se mami we see o. So see onu de young only 5 helicopters. Then why does your mama give her the 5 helicopters and all she needs to win the fight against Galamsey? So this woman is telling us basically, they say they are sitting on the solution. They know, say, to be able to remove people from the water bodies now, it will not take those NDC foot soldiers that they train in 2 weeks that they are water or river guards. No, to not take them, but to take a very delicate and serious well-meaning government that will be willing to shoot people out of the river bodies. Yes. Is she advising the president accordingly? Why is the president not doing so?